To make Nigerian jollof rice, first wash your hands. Then soak basmati rice in a large bowl of water for 20 minutes. Drain a tin of plum tomatoes into a bowl using a sieve and save the tomato juice for later. Tip the tomatoes from the sieve into a bowl and carefully chop them up using scissors. Take a large oven-proof dish that has a lid and add frozen peas to it. Twist 1 sweet red pointed pepper to break it apart. Take out the seeds and carefully cut it into small pieces using scissors. Add this to the oven-proof dish with the peas. Top and tail 4 spring onions and carefully cut them into pieces. Then add them to the dish. Now, using a sieve, drain the soaked rice and add this to the dish as well. Next, peel the papery skin off a clove of garlic. Place into a plastic food bag and use a rolling pin to bash the garlic into small pieces. Add the crushed garlic to the jug of tomato juice from earlier. Add the leaves from a leafy sprig of thyme. Now add smoked paprika, curry powder, stock powder, 2 bay leaves, a pinch of ground nutmeg, black pepper, tomato puree, water, and then mix all the ingredients together. Add the chopped tomatoes and the tomato juice mixture to the rice and vegetables. Mix all the ingredients together and put the lid onto your dish. Then ask a grown-up to put this in the oven for you. Once it has cooked for 20 minutes, they will need to give it a stir and put it back in the oven to continue cooking. When your Nigerian jollof rice is cooked, ask a grown-up to take it out of the oven for you, take the bay leaves out and leave it to cool slightly so it's ready to eat. This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.